Good morning, friends. Welcome to Rise IAS Online. I am Raja Avula, always for your success. Today, our topic is medieval Indian.
Good morning, friends. Before going to the subject, a small announcement for you for Telugu medium and English medium APPSC, both to TSPSC aspirants. For APPSC English medium group 1 and 2, this is a Telegram channel. You can download Telegram app and you can join into this APPSC English medium group 1 and 2, APPSC Telugu medium group 1 and 2, TSPSC Telugu English medium group 1 and 2, Telugu medium group 1 and 2, and Rise IAS online classes. If you go for your area, APPSC English medium వాళ్ళు ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియంలోను, తెలుగు మీడియం వాళ్ళు తెలుగు మీడియంలోను, TSPSC వాళ్ళు ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియంలోను, తెలుగు మీడియం వాళ్ళు తెలుగు మీడియంలోను వెళ్తే మాకు ఒక పర్ఫెక్షన్ ఉంటుంది, మీకు అందించే మెటీరియల్ కరెక్ట్ గా ఉంటుంది. సో దీన్ని ఫాలో అవ్వండి. యూ కెన్ గెట్ ఫ్రీ ఆఫ్ కాస్ట్ ఆల్ ద మెటీరియల్స్ ఇన్ ద టెలిగ్రామ్ యాప్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకొని వెంటనే దీంట్లో జాయిన్ అయిపోండి. దీని తర్వాత రైస్ ఐఏఎస్ రాజస్ క్లాసెస్ అనేది కూడా టెలిగ్రామ్ ఛానల్. దిస్ ఇస్ కామన్ టు ఆల్, ఇది అందరికీ కామన్ గా ఉన్నటువంటిది. ఇకపోతే యాప్ ఒకటి ఉంది, రైస్ ఐఏఎస్ ఆన్లైన్ అనేటువంటి యాప్. ఈ యాప్ లో మీరు వీడియోస్ కొనొచ్చు, కొన్ని ఫ్రీ డౌన్లోడ్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. రైస్ ఐఏఎస్ క్లాసెస్ అనేది యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్, దీన్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. మీకు ఎప్పటికప్పుడు లేటెస్ట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్, లేటెస్ట్ అప్డేట్స్ వస్తూ ఉంటాయి. Okay.
Kingdoms, those who are there are those the kingdoms which are ruled from 700 to 1200. That means after the Guptas, after the Harshavardhana. After the Guptas and after the Harshavardhana, the kingdoms, all the kingdoms, they declared independence. They established several kingdoms. In the last video, we discussed South Indian kingdoms. Actually, in the South India, we discussed several kingdoms like Badami Chalukyas. Here, Badami Chalukyas, Rashtrakutas, Kalyani Chalukyas, they ruled up to here, and this area was under the control of the Cholas. This area was under the control of the Pallavas. Above the Pallavas, Vengi Chalukyas ruled. Vengi Chalukyas ruled. Between the Vengi Chalukyas and Kalyani Chalukyas, Mudigunda Chalukyas, and also Karimnagar, Vemulavada Chalukyas. Like this, different kings. We discussed South Indian kings. Next, coming to the point of the North India. North India was under the control of the Rajputs, completely Rajputs. So, today's topic is Rajput kingdom. Rajputs ruled North India. There were different Rajputs. Nearly, according to the annals of Rajasthan, this book was written by Colonel Todd. Colonel Todd wrote this book. This was the source of this is the source of the Rajput kingdoms. This is the source of Rajput kingdoms. And Chand Bardai, another book, Chand Bardai wrote Prithviraj Raso. So these two books gave nearly 36 Rajput kingdoms. All these 36 Rajput kingdoms were not homogeneous. They were not homogeneous. That means they were not belongs to the same family. They belongs to the different family. They were heterogeneous. Rajput kingdoms were the heterogeneous kingdoms. And Chand Bardai, he explained in his book Prithviraj Raso. In his book, he proposed the theory called Agnikula Kshatriya theory. That means 4 Rajput kingdoms, they originated from the fire altar. That was a legendary story. While during the time of the Parashurama, he was going to kill all the Rajputs, all the kings in India. By that time, some Brahmins, they went to the Himalayas, they worshipped and they prayed Lord Indra to protect the people from the Parashurama. So Lord Indra appeared and gave four Rajput kingdoms. Lord Indra appeared, Lord Indra, he came and he gave the birth of four Rajput kingdoms from the fire cult. That is, these four Rajput kingdoms are Pratiharas, they were also called as Gurjara Pratiharas, Paramaras, Chauhans, and Solankis. So these four kingdoms are considered as Agnikula Kshatriyas. This was the Agnikula Kshatriya theory. So whatever it may be, we have less information about the Rajput kingdoms. So out of these 36, we are going to discuss 10 or 15 kingdoms. Here our topic, our main aim to discuss the founders of the kingdom and also capital important kings of that dynasty and also greatest kings of that dynasty. This is our aim to discuss today. There are different kingdoms, like we can write here first we can write Pratiharas. These ruled Kanauj. After the Pratiharas, next to Kanauj was ruled by the Gahadwalas ruled that Kanauj. Next to Solankis, they ruled from Kathiawar. Solankis from the Kathiawar. Paramaras, they ruled from Malwa, that is Dhara. Paramaras of Dhara. Dhara was the capital of the Paramaras. Chauhans ruled from Ajmer. They ruled from the Ajmer. Chendelas, they ruled from Bundelkhand. Khajuraho was their capital. Khajuraho was their capital. Next to Palas of Bengal, and also Senas of Bengal, Palas of Bengal, Senas of Bengal, Kalachuris of Tomaras of Delhi, Kalachuris of Chedi, Tripura. Kalachuris of Chedi, that is Tripura. Along with this Kashmir Rajputs. So these were the different Rajputs who ruled India. We will discuss one by one founders and all the things. First, Pratiharas. They were also called as Gurjara Pratiharas. The kingdom which they established